Ooh, this hair. That's okay because I'm about to try this product by Product Junkie Naturals and get my life together. Yes, indeed, roses. Welcome back. This is Olena from Olena Roseanne, and I'm going to use a new shampoo today. I'm already loving the ingredients I see, and this is the Maracuja Oil Low Porosity Curl Clarity Shampoo from Product Junkie Naturals. If you don't know what Maracuja oil is, think of passion fruit. That should tell you a little something. This pours out nicely, and look at the texture here. Oh, wow. This looks like it's going to have plenty of slip. It feels nice and smooth on my hand thanks to that wonderful maracuja oil, which is a great emollient without leaving a greasy feel behind. So let's put it on my hair. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. Look at the amount of lather I get on contact. And the great thing about this, it does not feel like it's stripping my hair, which is something I cannot stand if you've been following me for a while. So I don't have to worry about that. Plenty of lather. I almost think, I actually know I use way too much. So I'll tell you right now, a little bit goes a very long way. Oh, and did you catch how easily I was able to run my fingers through my hair? Oh my goodness. And listen to this. You hear that lather? You hear me working that in? That's what I'm talking about. I'm pretty confident here my curls are going to be clarified. Let's see. I'm looking at some clarified curls. What do you think? My curls are soft and smell good too. Wow, I'm so glad I added this shampoo to my stash. We're going to move on from this, which I love the smell of, and move on to the other two products I just recently purchased. So thank you, Denise. I'm not a stranger to Product Junkie Naturals. Just so you know, I already have three other products. I've purchased the Honey Hydration Leave-In Conditioner, the Pumpkin Mint Crush Scalp Scrub with Himalayan Pink Salt, and also the Putting on Point Flaxseed Gel Styler. And I love all three. So I decided to try three more products. So we've tried one today. The other two I have here is the Double Butter Curl Moisture Cream. And the other product I purchased is the Creamy Whipped Flaxseed Gel Buttercream. I'm looking at these two products. I'm like, which one I'm going to use? Should I use both or should I use one or the other? I don't know. Should I mix it in with one of the other products I previously purchased from Product Junkie Naturals? What shall I do? Let's open them up first. The Double Butter Curl Moisture Cream. Let's open that up. Ooh, creamy. Y'all see that? It's thick, but obviously it spreads on nicely. Vegan, no mineral oils, no petroleum, no parabens, no sulfates. Or I could use the Creamy Whipped Flaxseed Gel Buttercream. Oh, that's good and creamy. Very creamy, spreads on nicely. You feel those oils in there. This is a cream and a gel together. And for this, it says directions, twist and twist outs. Apply a small amount to be determined by the size of section of cream gel to damp or dry hair. Comb through and then twist or braid. For best definition, allow twists or braids to fully dry before taking down. It says using as a moisturizer or sealing cream, apply amount needed to each section and comb through to distribute evenly, style as desired. So if you decide to use it for twists, for a twist out, she gives the directions. And if you decide to just use it as a moisturizer and sealing cream, what to do. So you'll have to see me use a Double Butter Curl Moisture Cream in another video. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some clips of me twisting and show you guys the results once dry. And that will be that for this wash day. Okay, here we go. Do you see how that melted right into my strands? Now watch this. Look at that. I have all the slip I need to make the perfect two-strand twist. I love it. I have a feeling this is going to be a successful wash day because according to all this moisture I'm feeling sealed in to these twists and how soft my hair is, this is working out nicely. Okay, so my co-star Reese decides he's going to be part of this video too, whether I like it or not. The shine is so beautiful. I mean, look at this. Look at my definition and that bounce.
Y'all, I love my results. Have you tried any of the products I mentioned by Product Junkie Naturals? If you haven't tried those products or any other products, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Every single product I have ever used, and now I have a total of 6 or 7 products from Product Junkie Naturals, and I'm satisfied with every single last one of them. I mean, you can't argue with the results. You really can't. So again, check the description box for information on Product Junkie Naturals. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Other than that, I'll talk to you later, Roses.